Caring for your Frigidaire portable air conditioner is easy. Here are some tips to get you started. Your model may vary, but feel free to give these tips a try. For optimal performance, ensure your air conditioner is in an area that does not restrict airflow in the rear of the unit. There should be a minimum of 31.5 inches of clearance in the front and back of the unit, and a minimum of 19.7 inches of clearance on the left and right sides of the unit. For additional installation recommendations, please reference your use and care manual. Your air conditioner is equipped with 2 air filters, Filter A and Filter B. The clean filter indicator will illuminate when it's time to clean, usually after 250 hours of operation. Grasp the upper panel tab and remove Filter A, which is usually located behind the grill of the back panel. Remove the lower Filter B by loosening the screw and taking down the air inlet grill. After removing the filters, you can wash the filter using warm soapy water. Rinse and allow to dry thoroughly before replacing. Once it is completely dry, replace the filters in the proper location. You can also vacuum the filters instead of washing. You may need to reset the clean filter indicator by pressing the filter button on your display. Some units are also compatible with advanced filters, which should be replaced every 6 months for optimal performance. Please reference your use and care manual for more filter instructions. To clean the cabinet in front of the air conditioner, you can dust with an oil-free cloth or dampen a cloth using warm soapy water. Avoid using excess water in or around the controls. Dry thoroughly. It is not recommended to use harsh cleaners, wax, or polish on the cabinet front. If your air conditioner is not in use for an extended period of time, drain the water collection tank completely by removing the bottom drain cap and rubber plug. Once water no longer flows, reinstall the cap and plug. Don't forget to remove and clean the filter before reinstalling. Remove the batteries from the remote control. It's best to store the air conditioner in a cool, dry location, away from direct sunlight and high temperatures. Before using your air conditioner after storing, ensure the filter and drain cap and plug are in place. Make sure the power cord is in good condition, free of cracks and damage. Don't forget to replace the batteries in your remote control, and follow the installation instructions before running. We're here to help. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online at the Frigidaire website.